In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to Google Merchant Center for the year 2025. In just about 5 minutes, you'll have the know-how to get your products online, making them visible to millions of potential customers who search on Google. Now, adding products to Google Merchant Center can seem a bit daunting at first, but I promise it's simpler than it seems, especially when you break it down into manageable steps. Let's dive in and start by logging into your account. First, you'll want to navigate to merchants.google.com. Once you're there, sign in using your Google account credentials. If you're setting this up for business, it's a good idea to use an account specifically for your store to keep everything organized. So, you've logged in. Fantastic. Now you have two main options for adding products to the Merchant Center, manually or in bulk. Let's explore each one, starting with the manual option. Once you're in, go to the products section and click on All Products. This is where your products will eventually be displayed. Next, simply click on Add Products. You'll see an option to add product one by one. This is ideal if you only have a few items to list or if you prefer to input detailed information on each product. When adding products one at a time, you need to fill out some important details. The key elements you'll need are the product name, the price, and a high quality image of the product. Make sure your images are clear and compelling, as they really help sell your product. It's also a good idea to match the product name with what's on your website to maintain consistency. After entering all the product information, click Save. This will add your product to your Merchant Center, making it one step closer to appearing in search results. Now let's move on to the second option, uploading products in bulk. This method is particularly useful if you have a large inventory. Again, navigate to the Products section and select All Products, then click Add Products. This time you'll choose your upload method. Here you have several options like using Google Sheets, uploading a file, setting up a scheduled fetch, or even using an API. Each method has its pros and cons, so choose the one that best fits your workflow. If you go with Google Sheets, there's an official template provided by Google, which makes it quite straightforward. Regardless of which upload method you pick, you'll need to follow the specific prompts to complete the setup. These prompts help ensure all the necessary data is correctly formatted and uploaded. Once you've completed these final steps, your products will be uploaded into your Merchant Center, and there you have it. With this information, you can efficiently add a wide range of products to Google Merchant Center, ensuring they reach a broad audience online. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!